Guys, cleaning the room and organizing the room, oh my God, it takes a lot of time. Yeah, tag along with me as I'm cleaning my room and tidying it. Oh, it took me like 2 hours to do that stuff, removing them from the shelves, cleaning them, packing them. It was really an hectic day. As you can see, I'm very tired. Organizing the room, it is a big task, guys. Yeah. What did I want even to tell you? Wanted to tell you something, but I think I forgot about it. So you can comment below and say how I can organize the room. Yeah, my room is a bit squeezed. Yeah, it's a bit squeezed. Maybe I need to buy a wardrobe. I don't have money right now to buy a wardrobe. They will be staying. My clothes will be. I'll keep them in the bags. Yeah, for now. Yeah, until I've organized myself enough to buy a wardrobe. So a wardrobe is not on an urgent list. Yeah, probably next year. Yeah, hopefully next year I'll buy a wardrobe and organize these clothes very well and tidy the house. Yeah, right. So you can see me very tired trying to fix everything in order. It was really a hectic day, guys. See me in the next one.
Hey, I don't know what is happening.
Guys, the rain is raining seriously. Ay, 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 ay. Eh, this is too much. Oh. Hmm?
Guys, enkuba etonnya.
Love maternity girl. Guys, we are collecting water from the rain. Yes. Oh, it is raining seriously. Good morning. So this is, we are going to use this water for washing. Yes, washing the clothes. So we are collecting water. Look at this. African winter. Look. This is African winter, guys. Can you see this? Look at this beautiful weather. Let me look up the sky and you see, guys, it's still, we still have more water to drop off. Oh, so it has rained. Let me take chai. And it is stops. Then it's going to rain again. It's still on. Hmm? This is how phones distance people from each other. You might be in the same house, but everyone is doing a different thing. Look at her. Look at you. Doing the phone. Now mama atunudde eno naye nga you are in the same house naye nga tewali ategeera buli omu kyaliko. That's the problem with these phones. They separate people. You see? Huh? Nalwa. Me, I'm taking my chai. Eh? That's the problem with the cell phones. Keep people distance, though they are in the same roof, but buli omu akola kiki. Mami alikusimye, ono alikusimye, noli alikusimye, buli omu akola kiki, something different. Problem. I wish mommy had a lot of phones buli omu ng'alina. Internet mwandinzise. Yes, God is working slowly to my family. We didn't have it, but now we have it. We have at least this morning. Not so? Just pray for Mama to get a nice job, a nice one. At least we also need to have, Colin has a room, Nakas has a room, Miriam has her own room with the decorations. You have everything there. You just send it. But you no longer sitting in there. And in what? In the sitting room. God God bless us, Walai. God bless us. God bless the work of our hands. And you have to pray. You have to pray for me so that I get a good job. I work. I don't fall sick. I get paid. You see? Remember me, son. I might work and they don't pay me. But I have to work. They pay me. I don't fall sick. God will bless us. Wait, Linda, go. Guys, I've come here to do some small shopping for the house. I'm heading to town. Have ah, guys, I'll see you. I'm perturbed. I'm disturbed. I have some issues. Jangu.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually, it's something that moves.
Hi guys, I trust everyone is okay. Guys, I'm heading to my office to see about the availability. I just want to move as soon as possible after the festive season. I want to move and go back to work. So that is it. Festive season, guys. I want to move. Yeah, I just want to see whether they have availability and then I move a little bit earlier. So that's why I'm heading right now. I'm soon reaching. I can see the gate. It is a Saturday, a beautiful Saturday, guys. Today it has not rained. Yesterday it rained dogs and cats. I'm just enjoying this journey. Wish me luck, guys, because I don't know whether I will find them there because today is a Saturday. I don't know whether they are working, but I'm just, let me see. Yeah, see you. Wabulabye ku kyaki walidde ne ku mmere walaayi nayalinga muwala wange. Hey, good evening to you all. I trust you are okay, guys. As I told you, I'm going to gist you about my travel. Yes, I went there and they advised me accordingly. So I had to do the needful. So as they advised me. So I'm waiting for my boss to yeah, to reply me, then I'll be giving you more gists. So guys, I came back, I went to Owino shopping, and I did some small shopping for home. Guys, I didn't show you everything. So I bought some vegetables for home, but things are very expensive. Yeah, Uganda is very expensive. Guys, if you're coming to Uganda, know that you're going to spend. Yes, just know that you're going to spend. So I'll see you in the next vlog, guys. This is it for today. Yeah, thank you guys for those who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you those who are viewing my content. Thank you so much. I appreciate your energy. I appreciate your effort. Thank you, guys. May God bless you, guys. Yes, those who would love to support me, I'll put my email in the description box. Yeah, because doing content, it needs time, it needs money, and everything. So, yeah. So, I'll see you guys. Bye bye for now. Mwah. Love you. Love you, love you, love you.